In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable low power mode on your iPhone. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss any steps. There's a setting on your iPhone that helps reduce power usage when you need to extend battery life. I'll walk you through a couple of easy ways to turn it on. The first method is through settings. Simply open Settings, then to find the battery option. Within battery, you'll see low power mode. Just toggle it on, and you'll notice that battery icon turns yellow, which indicates that low power mode is activated. You can turn it off the same way whenever you are ready. If you use low power mode often, you might find it more convenient to access it directly from the control center. To do this, swipe down to open control center. If you don't see the low power mode shortcut there, tap and hold on any empty space. Then select Add a control. Find low power mode in the list, tap it to add, and it will appear among your shortcuts. Now you can activate or deactivate low power mode right from the control center, making it much quicker and easier to manage. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it thumbs up.